Did you know we have a VIP program at Lost Empire Herbs? Find out the details here. To become a VIP at Lost Empire Herbs, it's really quite simple. You place your third order. So order one time from us, order a second time. The third time, you are automatically enrolled into our VIP program where we have special offers. That's the main thing that we're doing. We have some stuff available only for VIPs that no one else has a possibility of seeing. One of the main things we're doing with that is Logan's Private Reserve. So these are some mostly spagyric tincture extracts that I am making myself with oftentimes some rare herbs. So we have some 12-year-old ginseng here. Here is some wildcrafted, locally St. John's wort. We have agarikon mushroom, a bunch of different things. Now, this is all limited supply stuff. So first come, first serve. When we run out, we often do not have it again. Sometimes we make a second batch. I make a second batch. It depends on what is available. We also have some other special products from our suppliers. For instance, we had our oak barrel aged ashwagandha extract. So our same amazing ashwagandha tincture, but aged like whiskey, like many different drinks inside an oak barrel, which imparted a very nice flavor to it. Very good stuff. We also have some special offers from other suppliers. For instance, this amazing, probably the best spirulina on the market available there. Some of these stuff we have somewhat regularly, other stuff is extremely small run. We also do beta tests of some new products or some tweaked formulas, that sort of thing. All of this is available for our VIP members only. So we're sending out emails, we have special deals, special offers in addition to that. If you would like to become a VIP member, all you gotta do is place 3 orders on our website and you'll be automatically enrolled. And we're just getting started. We hope to expand this program, do much more and bigger and fun stuff in the future.